If you've been seeing developers hype up Google Antigravity and Cursor as the future of AI coding, you're not alone. But before you jump in, let's cut through the noise and see which IDE actually delivers in 2025. Right from the start, the biggest shock for most developers is how different these tools behave once you actually depend on them. Antigravity pulls people in with its free model, but those quota walls hit fast and hard, often right when you're in the middle of a build. And Cursor, on the other hand, commies with pricing that looks simple at first, but quietly multiplies as your usage grows, turning a small monthly plan into something far more expensive than expected. Beyond costs, both tools promise autonomous agents, faster coding, and seamless integration, but the reality is filled with hidden friction. Antigravity's reliability feels inconsistent, with access blocks, random onboarding failures, and unpredictable model behavior, while Cursor users frequently report rework loops, correction cycles, and rapid credit burn that cancels out the so-called speed gains. And once you start connecting these tools to real development ecosystems, the limitations become obvious. Extension support breaks. Repo compatibility varies by project, workflows become unstable, and neither platform handles complex multi-file reasoning as smoothly as their marketing claims. Developers across forums keep repeating the same concerns: unpredictable performance, billing confusion, latency spikes, and AI output that varies depending on the hour of the day. Both platforms aim to revolutionize coding, but when you filter out the hype and look at consistent usability, stability, and long-term cost, only one of them feels like a tool you can depend on daily. And surprisingly, it's not the one dominating the benchmark charts or trending on social media. Stay tuned as we break down what actually matters when choosing an AI IDE in 2025, so you don't waste time, money, or your workflow on promises that don't match reality.